In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your microphone in OBS Studio. Whether you're setting up for a new project, recording a podcast, or getting into streaming, capturing quality audio is crucial. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. First things first, you need to open the OBS Studio application on your computer. OBS Studio, as you may know, is a powerful, free, and open-source software for video recording and live streaming. It works across different platforms, which makes it a popular choice for many content creators and streamers. With OBS Studio now open, you'll want to focus your attention on the Sources section, which is typically located at the bottom of your screen. This is where the magic happens. The Sources section allows you to add various input and output devices that you'd like OBS to capture. Think of it as your canvas, where you get to select what elements are included in your recording or stream. Next, you'll need to click on the little plus icon, which might also be labeled Add, depending on your version of OBS. This button is your gateway to adding multiple input and output sources. When you click it, a menu will pop up, offering a variety of options. What we're specifically after is Audio Input Capture. Simply click on this option and a new dialog box will appear. This is where you'll specify the audio device you want OBS to record. You'll be given an option to either create a new source or select an existing one if you've previously set it up. Creating a new source is usually the way to go. Now, here's where you'll select your microphone from the drop-down menu. OBS should detect all audio input devices connected to your computer, including built-in mics, USB microphones, or even audio interfaces. Make sure you select the correct device you intend to use. Choosing the right microphone ensures that the audio captured is exactly what you want. And there you have it. You've just set up your microphone in OBS Studio. To make sure everything's working correctly, I suggest doing a quick test recording. Simply hit the Start Recording button, say a few words, and then stop the recording. You can play it back to see if the sound levels are good and clear. If necessary, go back and adjust the input device or levels. Setting up your microphone correctly is an important step in ensuring your recordings are professional sounding and clear. With OBS Studio, once you've initially set this up, it becomes a seamless part of your recording process. Thanks for watching, and happy recording!